Hello guys, Kids Programming to Aspire, and today we're going to build keyboard class in the Pong project. New class keyboard, put it in the Pong.input package, and this class will implement key listener. Add an implemented method. Create two variables, private static boolean keys, boolean array of keys is equal to new boolean array of 120 and last keys. Create an update method, public void update for int I is equal to 0, I is less than keys dot length I plus plus last keys dot I is equal to keys I. Create some more variable methods, public static boolean key int key return keys key. Copy it 2 times, and one will be key down and the other key up. Here return keys and not last keys key, and here just the other way around, so last keys and not keys. In the key type we won't write anything, key pressed keys e.get key code is equal to true. Here it is equal to false in the key release. Now create another class game, put it in the Pong.game package. Game will have a public static boolean game over is equal to true. Public game call init. We don't have this method yet, so let's create it. Public void private, because it will be only used in this class. Void init. We won't write anything now in it now, and public void update and public void render. In the update method, write if game over, if keyboard dot key event dot wiki r init call init and game over is equal to false. I forget to put the this, and here return. That will be when it is going to be game, or we can restart with the R key, otherwise we just won't update. So now going to the Pong class and import what we have created in this tutorial. So private game and private keyboard key game is equal to new game and key is equal to new keyboard import everything and add key listener key in the update method. Call game.update and afterwards key.update. In the random method we forgot to build it the other time, so let's do it. Buffer strategy ps is equal to get buffer strategy if bs is equal to null, create buffer strategy 3, return cool game.render graphics 2D g is equal to graphics 2D from the bs dot get draw graphics g dot draw image image 0 0 int width and scale and int height and scale, not for the image observer, g dot dispose and bs dot show. Let's test it, and it works. If you change the pixels will change. Now they are initialized to 0. So thank you guys for watching. See you in the next one.